Good day, everyone. We are Group L Loco IT, and we will be presenting our online quiz system. So, the first form of our online quiz system will be the uh, choices of student login, student register, or admin login. So, if a student doesn't have an account yet for the online quiz system, they must click the student register as provided here. Then, the register form will ask for the student ID, full name, school email, password, course, and year level. The student ID will only be accepted if it doesn't exist in the database, and the school email will only be accepted if it's using the at mygru.edu edu school handler extension name for the school email. So let's try to provide an existing student ID. See what will be the prompt after. So let's see. Let's say so there are only two choices for the course, which is the BSIT and BSCE, since the online quiz system is only for the CSE department. So for the year level, let's say third year, register. And as you can see, student ID already registered. Please use a different one. So let's provide a new student ID with the same name, but a different school handler. Let's say at gmail.com. Then, as you can see, invalid email, please use a valid GRU email address. So let's try to complete it in a complete form. Okay. My.gr.edu. And the registration is a success. Let's refresh the database or the table for the student account. And as you can see, the Leona Medusa account has been registered to the database. And let's proceed to the login. My.gr.edu. Leona. And upon logging in as a student, be greeted by a navigation menu of Home, Take Quiz, Profile, Quiz History. So let's start with the quiz history. The quiz history will say no quiz history available since the student is a newly created account and they must take the quiz first in order to see their existing history, quiz history. Then for the profile, they can edit their profile. And as you can see, the information they have provided in the register menu will be settled here. And with an additional information, the birthday, phone number, and biography. And clicking the edit button, let's provide a birthday for her. And the biography will be just like any quotation or any favorite quotes they can provide. Example, or let's click update and refresh the database. And as you can see, the birthday, phone number, biography of Leona is already set to null, or it's empty. And upon refreshing, the database has been updated. So they can press return home when you're done changing their profile, and they can also start the quiz already. So the quiz has 25 questions. It's a multiple choice and a true or false. So clicking start. Let's put 10 questions answered correctly. And let's just submit the rest of the questions since it will take some time. Okay. So let's just keep submitting So we answered 10 correct questions correctly, and the rest will be counted as a mistake to the total questions. Okay, this one will be the false, which is incorrect. So upon finishing the quiz on the student side, they will be graded with different categories of the score. So the total questions will be the total amount of questions that exist in the quiz. Questions attempted is the number of questions they tried to answer without leaving it blank. The correct answers are the correct answers, and incorrect are the incorrect ones, and the final score will be labeled as the final score. And upon checking the database for the student queue history, and as you can see, the student ID of 22-123456 has been recorded here with the same result as shown to the student side. But of course, they cannot see the database since they're not part of the admin. So moving on. So since they already have taken a quiz, let's try to see the quiz history. And upon checking the quiz history, the results has been shown here since the score of 10, the number of questions attempted, mistakes, and the percentage of the score over the total score and the date that has been taken. So that's it for the student side, and let's move on to the admin side of the quiz system, online quiz system.
So I am Gabriel Matthew, and I am here to explain you and to demo the admin side of our quiz system. So uh, can we plug in the admin? So this login module only takes or only accepts admin email and as well as the password. So we can add admin now. So after logging in, the admin page module is going to be flashed here. So here we can see the home, profile, student history, delete questions, add quiz questions, and log out. So in the profile, can you click the profile? We can see that the admin profile could be viewed here. So we can see the admin ID, admin name, admin email, and the password. The admin can choose to change the password whenever he wants, and the rest are stored in our database, in our admin table in the database. And we hit the return to home. And then the admin can also view the student history or the student history that the student who already took the questions from previous attempts. Can we click? So as you can see, the admin can view here the student ID, the full name, the email, the course, and the year level of the students, as well as to view their profile or choose to delete them. Uh, can we can we demo if the admin can search the student? So there you go. The admin, as you can see, the search bar is working perfectly. The admin can search any student he wants based on the ID or the name. Can we click the view? Yes. So this is the view side of the admin. The admin can view the history, the score, the number of question attempt, the mistakes, the percentage, and the total score of the student who already took the exam. As you can see, the date is already recorded as well. So yes, can we turn? Now the admin can also choose to delete the student attempt. Let's try to delete one. There. As you can see, the student history has been deleted as well as in our database. So can we go back? Next is the admin can also choose to delete the quiz questions. Quiz questions. There you go. And then it is the module is considering the question ID, so the admin can delete them. So one question ID, and then if you click or hit find, the module will show the question number, the question text, and a warning that if you, well, you delete quiz taker's record and check if you are sure or not. Let's try to delete this one. And there you go, the record deleted successfully. Can we show them the database? There, as you can see, question number 25 with question number 25 is deleted. So we're now from 24. Can we go back to the home page? Next is to add quiz questions. So the admin can also add quiz questions. So the question number here is the indicator where we should uh, add the question. So question number 25, since the last question is question number 24. So the question text accepts the question. Can we type anything there? Um, there you go. Then the question choice from A to D range. But then in the correct choice, we can set what number here is the correct choice. So represented by 1 to 4. So let's say number 2 is the correct choice. So let's click add. And there you go. Question has been added. Can we go back to our database? There you go. Number 25, question number 25, and the text, what color is the fruit orange? So we can see that the choices and the questions are added successfully. Wait for the choices and there. Now in our database, the element the element for our correct choice are set by 1 and 2, and you can see that 1 is for the correct choices and 0 is for the wrong choices. Previously we selected the orange as the right choice, so orange is marked as 1. Can go back and yeah, there we can return back to our homepage, and then the admin can also choose to log out. uh, There, that's all for the admin side. I hope we explained it and demoed the system successfully.
Thank you for watching, and we hope that we explained everything well on your end. Thank you.